Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to make public profile on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have updated your Snapchat app, you just simply open it. And once you have opened your Snapchat app, click on your profile found on your upper left corner of the screen. And then scroll down a little bit until you can see the public profile section right here under Spotlight and Snap Map and on the top of Friends. So click on Create Public Profile and then you should read these first. So you need to show your name. So any snaps you send to Spotlight or Snap Map will now show your name. And anyone who views these snaps or your lenses will be able to subscribe to your account. So you just simply swipe left and then you may be able to see this message as well. Build your public profile. Add collections of your snaps from Spotlight, SnapMap, or Camera Roll to help you Snapchatters learn more about you. So, click on Get Started, and you should also read this first and click on Create. Wait for it to load, and once it is done loading, you may now see My Public Profile. So click on that one, and then you may click on Edit Profile to edit your picture, your bio, your location. You may also turn on your subscriber count. So you may also click on Preview Profile so that you may see what your profile appear to other users. So that's it. That's how you can make public profile on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.